So let's say I have a folder for the lab. Let's say the name of the folder is Krishna. Inside that we have a debugger and a couple of files that I have solved. If you want to run like the debugger or the Q1 or Q2. So if you want to run it from the terminal, what I would do is I would go inside this folder and open this folder in terminal or command prompt. So this is one way to like open that folder in command prompt. Another way would be to open the command prompts. Open the command prompt or the terminal, whatever you're using, then like go into like this Krishna folder is stored in downloads. So what I would do is like change my directory to downloads first, and then like from download I will go into folder named Krishna. So now that I'm in the same folder, I can like, if you're even using Windows, you can like see all the files here, or if you're using Mac, you can just use ls to see a list of files in that directory. So if you want to run this Python files from here, so what I would do is like write Python space. If I want to run like l2 q1.py, I'll just simply write that and like then enter, and it will like run the code. And then like if you want to run the debugger as well, like same technique. So just write the name of the debugger, that is like debug runner dot hi, and you'll also be able to run the debugger as well. So in case if you also want to like know that how to run it from the the VS Code as well, like so if you want to open the VS Code, like so from the command prompt you can also open the VS Code. If you want to write like in the directory Krishna, and then like if you write code space dot, it will open the whole directory in VS Code for you. And then once it open up, then you can like edit all the files here. And in this your case, or like whatever email you send, so you got your these are not the correct way to declare variables, and file name should be a1.py. That's correct. So you can like adjust accordingly. But so you can run also from, as in your case, like you cannot really see anything. So sorry. So in your case, like this option is not popping up. So that what you have to do is like if you click here, and then you should be able to see an option to like run Python file. So if you like you want, you can run it from the terminal or like run it from the VS Code as well. But you have some issues with the code, so make sure that you understand the concept before you start solving it. And good luck.